What's up guys? Mabuhay and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, nandito tayo ngayon sa Ninoy Aquino International Airport and pupunta tayo ng Osaka, Japan. But for now, let's go to airport lounges sa mga airlines. And I'll show you guys how first time natin mag airport lounge guys. So let's try Marhaba or Pags, whichever of them. And then try natin kumain. And I think airport lounge is fourth level here. So I'll just take a photo. And then let's go to the airport lounge, guys. And what's up guys? Nandito ako sa level 4 ng Ninoy Aquino International Terminal B and itatry ko pumunta sa Pags Lounge. Hindi ko makita kung nasan yung Marhaba kasi walang placard na nakalagay. Ang nakalagay lang yung Cathay Pacific, yung Pags. Pero parang gusto ko i-try sa Marhaba. But let's check kung saan kasi first time ko lang din here. And ito. Wala sa card yung Marhaba guys. Pero makikita nyo ito. Ayan, yung Marhaba. So I'll try to check in there and might as well to eat kasi gutom na tayo and mamaya pa naman ang flight. That's it. What's up guys? Kakagaling ko lang sa Not Pags Lounge guys, sa Marhaba. And okay naman ang foods. Hindi na ako nag-video kasi maraming tao and masikip. Though may mga pasta, lugaw, mga sandwiches and everything. It's good naman guys. You can go there if you have past time. And then I'm just sightseeing here. For the other lounges. Ayan. Tapos ito yung itsura sa baba. Hassle dyan guys sa security check. Kasi lahat ng huhubadin mo dyan guys. Sobrang hirap. So, and hindi na rin ako nagpunta sa Pags Lounge. Though may access naman yung card ko. Kasi I think I'm good for the day. So that's why bababa na ako. Para hindi rin gaanon ka-hassle and wala din kasing screen sa mga lounge. I mean, doon sa Marhaba wala. So, hindi nyo makita guys. And that's why I want to go down. So, that would be it for now. And see you later. So, ayun guys. Galing tayo ng Marhaba Lounge and mga around naka 1 hour din tayo mahigit for the stay on the lounge and okay naman siya gusto ko lang wala kasing screen dun sa Marhaba and then correction guys meron pa lang nakalagay dun na placard for Pags so katabi lang ng Marhaba yung Pags Lounge and hindi na ako nag-try kasi parang I'm good for the day and busog naman ako and sa Marhaba sobrang dami ng tao habang tumatagal kaya umalis na ako. Nag-sightseeing lang ako ng mga airplanes, ng mga palapag at papaalis at saka yung mga parang hinihila ng mga tractor. So kung gusto nyo guys, you love watching airplanes, it's a good area to go. So, hinahanap ko ngayon guys ang gate 107 kasi doon ang flight patungong Osaka. And then later on kapag nakasettle tayo, I'll kwento to you guys what are the airport immigration officer asked me and the things. But for now, here is the airport guys. And it's so busy. There's the Starbucks, the Tapa King. Nung nag-Taiwan kami nila Miss Susani, we eat there. We have the Kenny Rogers here. And then here's the gate. Let's go to gate 107. Hindi na ako nagstay masyado sa airport lounge. Gawa ng una, marami ng tao. Pangalawa, walang screen. Kung nag-change ng gate, hindi ko malalaman. So, ayun din. Syokot din dito kasi hindi ko alam kung may screen. So, I need to check and then I'll update you guys. And ikukwento ko rin later on kung ano yung mga tinanong sa akin ng immigration. So, I think that would be it for now, and I'll just find my original gate, and then from there, if merong screen, I'll check if nag-iba yung gate. If none, so we're good to go. And that would be it. Bye for now. What's up guys? Mabuhay at hindi nyo ako nakikita dahil ang dark pala dito. Kailangan nating lumipat guys. Hindi nyo pala ako nakikita. Very wrong ang pag-start ng vlog. Ayan. Okay. What's up guys? Mabuhay and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, andito nga tayo sa NAIA. Wait lang guys ha. May boarding announcement. I'm not sure kung naririnig nyo ako, but patapusin muna natin yung boarding announcement. Then I'll share my immigration experience.
Using gate 109. All remaining guests are requested to kindly remain seated and wait for your next boarding call. Thank you.
Alright, so for the immigration, hindi ko na binidyo guys yung from pagkuha ng ticket up to immigration. Hindi ko na kinuwanan kasi immigration naman, bawal naman talaga mag-video. Sa check-in counter, wala namang hinanap. Usually, ang hinanap lang naman is yung travel tax. But on my case, I already paid mine online, which is worth travel tax is usually 1,620. But since I paid mine online, there's a 50 pesos parang admin fee or processing fee. That's why it became 1,670. And then, chinek lang kung may valid na visa. So, ako kasi galing na ako sa Japan before and I already applied for a multiple entry visa which will expire next year. So, valid pa naman siya. So, we're good. And then, after that, nagpapalit lang ako ng natira kong pera actually from Taiwan. Then, hindi na ako nagpapalit ng additional since I'm planning to withdraw na lang from the ATM. That's the usual thing naman what I do when I go abroad or outside the Philippines. And then, for the immigration, na good morning lang ako. Yun naman ang importante guys, you greet them with smile. And then, so na-good morning ako, nag-check siya sa computer niya, in-scan yung bio page ko. Siguro nakita yung mga travel history ko and then minuklat niya isa-isa yung mga pages. Siguro to verify kung yung mga nasa history kung nagmamatch ba. And inisa-isa niya guys pati yung mga visa ko dati, yung mga tatak. Wherein nung nakita niya okay na, tinanong ko kung kailangan pa ba niya yung i-travel. Kapag daw nakita na sa system, di na daw need. Pero kung hindi nakita sa system, kailangan ko i-provide. And then, ang kaisa-isang tanong niya lang for me is, kailan ako uuwi? So, sinabi ko lang yung date. And then, sinabi ko lang yung date. And then, ayun, okay na sa immigration, tatak. Wala nang mga tanong-tanong for additional document, wala nang pag-check kung saan ako mag-stay, kung may mga attraction ba ako, kung may mga itinerary, wala naman. So, I think we're good. Stamp lang agad. Kasi guys, naka-abroad na rin kasi ko multiple times. So, that's why siguro wala na rin tanong. Katulad nun, like nung August, kaka-Taiwan ko lang din kasi guys. So, I think that's why wala na masyadong tanong. And I think that would be it for now. And let's go Osaka, Japan. See you later. What's up guys? Mabuhay. And we are going to the aircraft na. And here is the view of what we have. Not sure guys kung you're able to see. But that's the view of the aircraft. And we are going to the plane. Para mag-board na inaantok ako guys, matutulog ako. 4 hours yung biyahe, so matutulog lang ako guys. Nakakaantok. Super. So yan, continuous lang tayo.
Pero, hindi ka sa mga